rituko irumuri ukamaiga yumura ibinsi Dr. William Samoei Ruto gutangaza ngati skuni go chachi kunyako chikuigurwa kuchakira eiki egocha ni gonere omwaziri w'ekisemi aiga Kenya Ezekiel Machogu akora etaro rituko rya rero ime county ya Nairobi gutara chiskuru aho irinde kurigeria emerobere emekanu yugo chikuigura chiskuru ase etamu ya kabere omwaka wa 2024 ase kerekyo mwaziri yuniganya ko bwa kwani kebuna chi county chiri chibwate etoigo sijakire amono muchando bwe toigo anene mono ase e county area Kisumu Omabei nabo igo area ya Tana River ni go chira kunya ko chiko tebigwa chinga kichikuchira nya ko chiko igora kero amache anyari ko baka okeana ase chi nsemo ichute tanyo robotiru asinchira yogokirano.
We have agreed on one thing to be done in this particular school, and that is the sewerage line, which you have seen is open. It's a little bit dangerous, apart from the very bad stench that is coming from there. It's also dangerous for the young pupils and the students because they can easily fall in, which is a safety issue really, which we have to sort out. And we have agreed with the member of county assembly. Is here, he will be able to confirm that the county government will be able to do something, most likely before Monday, to have it covered, so that when the students come here on Monday, they will find that the place is safe, the place is good for proper running, to be able to move on. I also want to take the opportunity to thank the Member of Parliament in a very special way, because you can see the very good building on the other side. It has been constructed using the national government CDF funds. I'm informed so far that the amount of money expended is about 35 million. And Nairobi, we have one major challenge, that there are so many students, so many pupils, but the capacity we have in public schools is not able to accommodate and to cater for all of them. And hence, you find that we have so many private schools, some of them which don't meet the required standard of a primary school or a secondary school. So, because of that, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, gave additional funds to the members of parliament. Mvua itafunguka, kwa hivyo hali itakuwa mbaya sana vile imekuwa hapo mbeleni. Ndio tumesema ya kwamba katika mashule yetu 98% yako sawa na vifaa iko sawa, iwe madarasa, iwe vyoo, iwe dormitories, mabweni na kadhalika. Kwa hivyo tutaweza fungua bila tatizo lolote kutoka siku ya Jumatatu tarehe 13. Mashule ambaye ilikabiliwa mbaya sana ndio pengine tutakaa kidogo kama tutafungua, na hiyo ni counties chache ambaye iliweza kuadhibiwa mbaya sana, kama kule Tana River kuna mashule chache, kule Kisumu kuna mashule chache, Omabei kuna mashule chache ambaye tutakaa pengine wiki moja mbili tukiangalia
ya inyani gogenda kubatia mangana majakuru amazing voice of victory na kogenda guchibusi mwanchu morgeria Kenya Union of Clinical Officers nabo igo abanyagitari bari ba Kenya Union of